Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Nexus and Company, and today we are going to discuss the General Data Protection Regulation and Amendment, basically known as GDPR. GDPR is world's strongest rule of protection for the protection of data till date. With the help of this set of rules, people can access their personal data information about them and place on what organizations can do with it. On 25th May 2018, GDPR came into the focus across the European countries. This led to the suspension of Data Protection Amendment to 1999 and enforcement of Data Protection Amendment Act 2018 within UK. So, who does GDPR applies to? Personal data is the soul of GDPR. This is in, this is information that allows identifying a living person directly or indirectly from the available data. Therefore, under GDPR, personal data such as IP address, name, location, online username, or more sensitive data, which includes religion, biometric data, sex, life orientation, etc., are given greatest protection. GDPR can also be applicable to the business outside European countries. Just for instance, if an Indian company does a business in European countries, then these laws are applicable to that Indian company also. So, basically, what are the key features of GDPR as per the amendment? Article 5 of the legislation lays seven basic key features for the guidance for the data protection. First one is lawfulness. A valid ground should be identified for the collection and using personal data. It should be used without any breach of laws, and data should be open and clear with the provider. Second one is data minimization. Processing of personal data should be limited according to the necessity and length of the stated purpose. Now, third is accuracy. Reasonable steps should be taken while collecting personal data so that there should be no mistake in case of increase and misleading data connection should be made as soon as possible. Now, fourth one is storage limitation. Purpose of holding data should be made clear and it should be deleted after its need is over. Now, moving to the fifth one, that is security. Data should be protected with all types of incident, losing, damage, unauthorized using, unlawful proceeding, uh, and people should be ensured that the people should be ensured that the appropriate measures are being taken. Now, the sixth one is purpose limitation. From the starting, the purpose of collecting the personal data should be clear and proper documentation should be maintained. Privacy information regarding the use should be transparent between the collector and the provider. Now, seventh and the last one is accountability. The responsibility of protection of personal data and complying with the other law will be a burden on data collector. So, now rights of individual according to GDPR. Giving right to an individual is the biggest troll made by GDPR on data collector and the processor. The basic purpose of giving right to the people is to have easy access to data companies holding about them and to also be deleted in some scenario. These rights are right to be information, right to access, right to refraction, right to issue, right to data prohibition, and right to restrict processing. So basically, General Data Protection Regulation is an evaluation in the field of data protection. This regulation is was introduced massive challenge on, and this result in frequent sharing of personal data freely online. So I think you find the video informative. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.